Let's have a look at a stages 1 to 4 A5 phonics kit. I'm going to walk through the kit stage by stage. So let me just get out the first stage, and you can see that they're all sitting up very nicely in the kit box that comes with it. So stage 1 is where we develop phonological awareness. And to help you teach some of the skills to develop phonological awareness, we've got some picture cards here. So you've got your title card at the start. And then you've got some basic instructions in case the person using the kit hasn't been on the course. And you've got a cover card that tells you what's going to be in each section. So we're looking at the instrument section now. And you'll notice that they're strong images, not fussy, not too much going on, but really clear what they are. So behind that section, the following section has the animal pictures, and children will really enjoy when you show the picture of the animal. They'll really enjoy making the sounds of that animal. Quack, quack. Then we have a big section for the rhyme. So we've got the 5 rhyming families, and you will find that there will be 5 pictures of words that rhyme with that family. So you've got the cat, the hat, the rat, the bat, and the mat, but they're nice big pictures so that everyone can see. So that's stage 1. And then we come into stage 2. That's a really big stage because, of course, you've got 29 phonemes here. Oh, it's heavy. Here we go. So at stage 2, you're going to have 5 picture cards for each of the phonemes we're going to teach. That's A to Z plus SH, CH, and TH. So again, you've got your title card. You've got some very basic instructions in case the person using the kit hasn't been on the course, but I would recommend, of course, that you go on the course. Let's look at A. So each phoneme will have 5 picture cards. So we've got the acrobat here, the astronaut, the ant, and so on, and then repeated with B. So you've got your title card, you know what you're going to find. So that's for the 29 phonemes. Now, you might be wondering, why are there no letter cards? Well, that's because we don't know which phonics scheme that you're actually using. So you will need to go to your phonics scheme provider to get the letter cards for that scheme. Now, the smaller section will be the stage 3 section, and that's where we teach children how to hear the last phoneme in a word. So this is a small section, and it's just some picture cards, some basic instructions where I've given you what the picture is and what the puppet is going to say to help the children learn the last sound. So, for example, when you hold up the picture of the fish, the puppet will say fit, and that will help the children hear the last sound. The final section is stage 4, and that's where we teach blending and segmentation using CVC words. And we've got 5 sets of words here. So here are your basic instructions. You've got your title card, which has the word cards that are coming. We have 1 picture for each of the keywords. And then you've got these very strong word cards that children can see, even those sitting at the back of the mat can see. So we've got A, E, I, O, U, and there's word cards for each of those. Now, you'll notice the kit comes in this fantastic purpose-made wooden box, which is very strong, and it needs to be because these are very heavy, and it has a hinge lid. Now, these kits are loved by the children because they can see them. They're big images, and teachers love them too because they save us a lot of time. So have fun with your stage 1 to 4 A5 phonics kit.